Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron Q4 Sportback S-Line. It comes finished in the gorgeous geyser blue, sure to turn heads when on the road. Equipped with an 11 kilowatt onboard charger, the Q4 E-Tron offers convenient and efficient home charging, ensuring your vehicle is always ready for the road. This model also includes an industrial plug, providing versatile and efficient charging options for longer journeys. To the rear, you have the privacy glass, giving this car an air of mystery. And at the time of this recording, the car has done 13,800 miles. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5Y spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control zone. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S&Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Next one, we have the connection of the mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family, with a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. If you like listening to your playlists, then you'll love the Sonos sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every drive. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. And in the charging menu to take advantage of off-peak charging tariffs. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on those long journeys. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone electric climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. With the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox with an electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and stay powered up with 2 USB charging points. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.